locked inside your heart-shaped box for weeks. Must surrender to my fate. There's no way out and no way in. No. Running blindly, calling for the light, but it can't find me. I'm too deep inside. Now the fog is closing in, the voice is empty, echo in the dark. Creeping shadows following, I shout but no one's listening at all. Lost inside the maze again. Every time I think I've made it to your heart, I'm out again. No. Endlessly I fall apart, and there's no escaping it. Running blindly, calling for the light, but it can't find me. I'm too deep inside. Now the fog is closing in, the voice is empty, echo in the dark. Creeping shadows following, I shout but no one's listening at all. Lost inside the maze again. Lost inside the maze Vicious, you got me. Still I can't believe what you say. Quaking at the knees. What will you do to me? I can see pain you can guarantee. Vicious, you got me. Still I can't believe what you need. Patient absentee, but you still wait for me, sorting through all of my life's debris. Oh, my thoughts keep crashing down. Oh, my life's unraveling. Oh, my thoughts keep crashing down, keep crashing down. Got me kinda twisted. Think you've got me now. Got me kinda twisted. Time is running out. Got me in the worst way, got me in the best way. Now you got me thinking you're no competition. Think you've got it twisted, 'cause I've got you now. Wicked kinda dreams, but I'm no one's girl. My blood runs free. Fight for my beliefs. Know what you'll do to me. I can see pain you can guarantee. Oh, my thoughts keep crashing down. Oh. So pure in thought and word and deed, they didn't quite succeed. For everything I long to do, gotta win nowhere for as nothing It's a sin, Father, forgive me. I try not to do it. Turn over a new leaf, tore right through it. Whatever you taught me, I didn't believe it. Father, you fought me, 'cause I didn't care, and I still don't understand. It's a sin. 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 I see a red door and I want it painted black. No colors anymore, I want them to turn black. I see the girls walk by just in their summer clothes. I have to turn my head until my darkness goes. I see a line of cars and they're all painted black with flowers and my love both never to come back. I see people turn their heads and quickly look away, like a newborn baby. It just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. I see my red door, I must have it painted black. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the facts. It's not easy facing up when your world is black. No more will my green sea turn to a deeper blue. I could not foresee this thing happening to you. If I look hard enough into the setting sun, my love will laugh with me before the morning comes. I see a red door and I want it painted drinks while we're all out here suffering a while. Your silence, it's been getting loud as you pretend fake innocence. I'll play my tiny violin, 'cause now you watch me as I burn it to the ground. I'll be your villain. I'm more of a blunt instrument. Watch out, man follows me around, won't make a mess, 'cause you did this. Yeah, I'm the monster you invented. How could you ever forget me now? All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't undo all the damage I did. You call me mad, but I make perfect sense. If I can't be your hero, I'll be your villain. 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 All the king's horses and all the king's men can't put my sanity together again. I'll be your villain. I'll be your villain. King's horses and all the king's men can't put my sanity together again. I'll be your
feeling down, sick and tired of feeling like I'm living in a ghost town. Come around, lost and never found. Sick and tired of feeling like I'm living in a ghost town. I cannot sleep, it's getting harder and harder to breathe. 6 feet buried beneath, and all the dust is following me.
And the lights go out, grit my teeth, shut my mouth. When the night comes around, I become a ghost now. Can anybody hear me? Screaming through the empty. Somebody come and get me. Get me.
Come around, I've been feeling down, sick and tired of feeling like I'm living in a ghost town. Come around, lost and never found. Sick and tired of feeling like I'm living in a ghost town. Now I don't want it, I'm hearing sounds, nails on my coffin. This is exhausting, nearly for dead, look what it's costing.
And the lights go out, grit my teeth, shut my mouth. When the night come around, I become a ghost now.
and tired of feeling like I'm living in a ghost town. Living in a ghost town.
A little too fast, I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed, now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. Only thing I did was pick out the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh, hard to get up and not work on my craft. I need inspiration, don't need no validation. No more medication, should try some meditating. I don't need you to save me, feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. Well, maybe I'm done, maybe I've lost. Still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. Can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps up at me at the wrong moment. Oh, I just wanna numb the
Johan keseluruhan bagi KKC 2025 dengan jumlah mata sebanyak 200. Jatuh kepada Batalion 6 I'm cold.
trap.